Dito tayo ka-vlog sa Holiday Inn Express and Suites. And Alberta, Calgary, katabi ng Wingate. Yan. Yan. Free breakfast, may swimming pool, tsaka may hot tub.
Horseshoe Canyon.
Ayan, dito tayo sa Horseshoe Canyon. Magandang umaga, magandang gabi, magandang tanghali sa inyo. Ito si Meme. Lamig na lamig kayo ah.
Yeah.
Huh?
I always
t-shirt lang.
cold.
Ito ng Badlands. Ayan o. Jen from Ontario, from Mississauga. Mississauga ba kayo? Oh, so Goes dito doon, no? Yung overlooking meron dito. Kaso bawal dito, mag-drone. Tingnan natin dito. Ayan o. May tao dun o. Bumaba sila. Badlands o. Ito mga vlogs. Ganda yung ginawa ng Diyos. Kalikasan o.
Imagine dropping your phone.
Ganda oh. May mga layer sila ng Ayan ang ating Horseshoe Canyon from Timbaland. Look at that. So many. We are on 3 cars.
Tingnan mo nakita mo yun, di ba?
I was about to do like this.
Picture na kayo.
Ganito daw ang layo yun. Init?
Hawig. Pero mas maliit si Roy.
Maliit nga lang si Roy. Hindi nakuha yung height mo.
Hindi. Hawig lang ni Jacob.
Si Jacob matangkad, di ba?
Matangkad na atas ha.
Ahawig niya.
Nung bata.
Oo, nung bata si Jacob, ganyan eh.
Yeah.
Kasi matangkad si Jacob.
Ito another
Matangkad siya.
point. Oh, ganda rin dito. Ayun oh. Parang may mga malaking anthills. Ayan na ang ating Horseshoe Canyon. There you go. Hello mga ka-vlogs. Ayan, dito tayo sa trail ng Horseshoe Canyon. Ayan. Sa side view punta tayo ng trail. Look at that. Nice. Seeing it in person makes me wonder how it's being made. Thousands of years. Oh, look at that. Oh, hoodoos. Oh. Ooh. And mga vlog sa ating grupo. Doon tayo Pwede maglakad pala rito. Oh, look at that. Much nicer and closer. Big hill. Clay. Different kinds of soil in there. Look at that. Okay. Oh, nice. You watch YouTube?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I watch anything on YouTube.
Oh, you watch the one in Oakville, or?
Yeah, the survival campus.
Okay, yeah. Because there's one in Brampton too, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. There's a shed over there. So, yeah, there's lots of jobs related to that field, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
Just after vacation, I have to call them and say like, why am I still on the waiting list?
Yeah. I think we should wait for them here.
Yeah, we're so far away from them.
Yeah. I don't know what they're doing.
My mother was with me.
Yeah. It's a good exercise. Subscribe and watch.
I follow YouTubers that I know.
Look at that. Look.
I have a lot of YouTubers I follow.
Ayan, vlog so. So, Timbalan, kumusta ang pag-YouTube?
Very, very good.
It's not easy, right?
Slow and easy.
Being a being a YouTuber, it's hard. Being a YouTuber is not.
Takes
not
time,
really.
dedication, a lot of
Yeah,
effort.
and you have to have passion.
Yeah.
Just you just show wanting to edit. If you like editing, that's the hardest part, is the editing.
Yeah. If you have
Yeah.
I have small passion, I'll do
Yeah.
it for fun.
Yeah, for fun. I think you're not doing it for the money. Yung money is just and secondary na lang yun. But if you're enjoying what you do, yeah, it's better. Yung ang hirap patas. Vlogs. Just way baba. Out of breath. Need to go back in shape again. We're just in the beginning of our 50s. Whew. Pero yung dalawang yeah, that was 7 years ago.
Pabili pa siya ng tuwi dito ng dinosaur din noon. Ewan ko lang kung ano yun.
Kaya nga eh. Ladder 106. Yeah. 106. Come. Yeah, you're gonna be fit. Go. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to vlog! Hi to vlog!
Yeah. Pagod.
Guys, I'm not eating!
Pagod. Hey.
Ouch!
There's a camera here. Drumheller. Six.
What? No, from here is good. You can see the body.
Yung paa ng ano, oh, dinosaur. Oh. Yung paa natin, oh, compared sa paa ng dinosaur. Yan. Laki. Oh. My God. Yan. Ooh. Yan mga vlogs, okay na gato ko.
Oh, 16-hour drive.
Until we meet again, dinosaur. Ayan o, T-Rex. Second stop, itong museum entrance. Mga vlogs o. Pwede rin mga overlooking ng ano doon, view. Ito. Ganon din. Ito. Ito. Don Tyrell Museum entrance. Baka entrance lang tayo. Depende sa how much yung ano fee. Hindi ako nakapagtingin sa ano sa online kung magkano eh. The lobby. Because it's $21 per adult and $10 per kid. Ayan. Oh, it's up. There's no like center.
Maybe ask for the map. Oh, we have to pay.
Ah, yeah, there's a map right here. Yeah, it's called Badlands Interpretive Trail. Ano dito? The white, yeah, nice one. It's worth it. Huh? It's worth it.
Oh, get a group shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is. There's a cactus.
Cactus? Oh yeah, cactus.
There. A tiny one. Wow.
Yeah, there's rattlesnake here if there's cactus.
Yeah, there's a whole.
Okay, picture.
We'll have lunch first.
Okay, 1, 2. Alright. One more. It's okay, I'm gonna do the selfie. Okay. Vlogs. Timbaland. And this is the mom.
What up, yo?
And Mang Berto in the house. Rap TV Philcan Live. There you go.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Is that where we're going? Yeah.
Is the way up, down pala.
Timbaland at ang timba. Yan. Kain time. Uy, may ano pala doon, oh. Yung mga nagka-camping, oh. Campground. Maganda pala rito, ah. He's playing too, I think, the squirrel. Where's it? Look, looking for food. Squirrel. Oh. Hi, squirrel. Yeah. Hi. You know it's camera, right? You're not camera shy.
Hi, hello.
He's not camera shy.
Hi.
And he thinks, throw him a piece of nut. Yeah, yeah. Right here, just throw him to there. He's gonna go there. Yeah, yeah, throw one. Yeah. Mga vlogs, dito tayo sa Hudus Trail. Yan. Ito dito sa Alberta, 5% lang yung sales tax. Kaya kunin ko na tong bench. Sleeper.